We are going to present to you the cutest little chef out there. These small hands can do wonders when it comes to cooking in the kitchen. Can you believe that? Let's see what he is going to cook for us today. No mission is impossible for him. His cooking skills are fire. Can you believe that he cooks this all by himself? This is not the end of his cooking journey. Let's see what he is making next. It looks very yummy, and he is enjoying it. Standing on a stool to get him as high as the kitchen work table. Modeling dough is no problem for him either. On today's menu we have this delicious recipe. He makes sure to add the important ingredients first. Bon appetit, little fella. He makes sure to clean the dishes too. Cleaning time. If there's one thing we want to try are his yummy recipes. Good food is good mood. There's nothing better than cooking food at home. He is very happy to help around the house. He is even more creative with modeling dough. We're loving these ideas. Focusing on the details is what he does best. He helps around the house even though he is so little. We just can't get enough of what a good chef he is.